take a baker's dozen to get my point to you? Would it take a half a pound to roll that joint for you? Would it take some Hail and Mary so full of grace to get my sound to you? Will you help me break it down and get on through? Now to the other side. It's easy if you only try. We don't lie down on the job, oh no. Because once we hit the top, there's no stopping us, no. Ain't no stopping us. Should I address all my letters to the well-to-be? Or should I say return to senders, just a well be done? Or should I better not take it so personally? If all the good loving is never received, baby, if it was me, well, I wouldn't think twice. No, not It's easy if you only try. We don't lie down on the job or worse, because once we hit the top, there's no stopping us, no. There's no stopping